Hi, I'm Jair from the World of Cannabis project, and we're looking for stories and items from history, and definitely from the cannabis history, and not like the plant, but more like cannabis culture. Today we have something really special. Mostly you saw some of my unpacking videos on YouTube, but today is a special one. We got a huge box in, and in there is something that is really cool, really amazing. And it has to do with the Brotherhood of Eternal Love. And the Brotherhood was a group of, I'm not sure totally they were hippies, but yeah, they were hippies. And they pretty much were trying to start the psychedelic revolution in the United States. And they did it with a product called Orange Sunshine. That was the acid, the LSD. A lot of you guys maybe remember that or took that. To actually finance the production of that Orange Sunshine, they were smuggling hash from Afghanistan. They did that in surfboards. And these were amazing surfboards made by Mike Henson. That's actually also one of the Brotherhood people. And of course, all those surfboards that are those were called the rainbow surfboards. Those are long gone. They just don't exist anymore. As far I've been searching for them, as far as I know. Years ago, there was this movie made called Orange Sunshine, and for the movie, the original maker Mike actually took the same team of people that made those original boards, and they recreated one. And I met the guy that's produced the movie and talked with him, and he's okay with helping us, and this will be curated by us and make sure that it goes public and that people will see it and understand the beautiful story that's behind it. And if you go look on our website of worldofcannabis.museum, you can actually read about the Brotherhood and another great piece of history. So enough talk, because talk is talk. Let's see what's here. So we're gonna lift the top part and see what's in there. And I didn't even see this. So let's see what's in here. I'm really excited. Oh wow. That is very excited right now. Wow. This is the most amazing surfboard I have actually ever seen. So look at this. Go look at this. This is just an example on the way, and then we're stuffing that entire surfboard. So here you have the primo surfboard Afghan hashish, and I actually have the original bags that came from one of the brothers, from Travis actually. I got the bags from Travis, and we did a story on our website, so please read about it. And I actually got the original bags that they used for the primo surfboard, primo Afghan hashish. And yeah, we will write a nice article about it to show you guys more, but I'm very happy to curate this. I'm very happy to hopefully in the future share this with a lot of people, because that's what it's for. This is cannabis history, but this is actually not just cannabis history. This is cannabis history, surf history. I mean, this also has to do with the psychedelic revolution and with LSD. I mean, this board contains so many stories, and then the great movie was made. I mean, watch Orange Sunshine. I mean, the board is actually one of the stars. So watch Orange Sunshine, great movie. And yeah, this was Jair from the World of Cannabis, and I hope to show you something just as nice next time. See you.